What's up, Audi lovers? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install probably the most cheapest and the coolest gadget that you can install on the Audi. It's a 3D shadow light, and I call it LED welcoming light. When you every time approach in the car, open the door, you'll see the Audi logo on the ground. I mean, it looks awesome, and as I said, super cheap. The link to the item you can find in the description down below, and as I said, it's a super easy, so it's gonna be a super short video because the installation is very simple and easy. All you need to have the orange plastic tool. I'm gonna show it later. If you don't have it, you can also find it on our website. But yeah, it's very simple. So with no further ado, let's proceed to the installation. Alright, so as I already mentioned, we only need the orange tool, and here's 3D light with Audi logo. It's gonna project the Audi logo on the ground, and the light we're gonna replace located underneath the door panel on the both sides. It's actually all four doors. You can replace all four doors, but the kit comes only with pair, but you can order 2 pairs and replace on 4 doors. So you take the sharp corner and just pop it right here, and it's easily removes, and then you just disconnect this white connector and replace it with the projection light and install it back. So you just install it back, and then you need to repeat the step on the other door. So as you can see, it was very simple and easy. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and be in touch. I'll see you in the next video.